If this is your first time watching this video or downloading the app, welcome. In this video, I'll be giving a brief overview of the app. You've opened the app, you'll be taken to the dashboard. That's the first page you'll see. On the dashboard, you have an ease of navigation to head to the handpicked cross-sells, your upsell cross-sells, your global cross-sells, global product cross-sells, global cart, and your frequently bought together. And below that, you have your conversion statistics. This shows the, the count of the number of clicks that you've received from your cross sells and the conversions that you've had. The conversions are cross sells which were purchased. And you also have the revenue that was generated from your cross sells. Now, we have other options such as assigning, and these are the easy navigations to assign your handpicked and so on. You have your settings. Under settings, general settings, you can edit the settings for the cross-sell showing on your product pages, your cart pages. You can activate your quantity bundles, which allows you to create bundle discounts based on the number of items in your customer's cart. You can also turn on the cross-sells for your homepage, collection, and checkout page. But these options are only available on the small store plan. Now, under theme, you can edit the way how your cross-sell is displayed, and you have the quick view and upsell pop-up, which we have a video on. We have languages and we have app integrations. Now back to the dashboard. There's also account where you can get your account information. You can create snapshots, which is like a backup for your cross-sells and see your billing plan. Under reports, you'll see the data generated from your cross-sells on your product pages. And we also have a what's new option to keep you updated. If you have any issues or queries, feel free to reach out to the support team at Cross-Sell.